redesigned 2009 Hyundai Sonata. Luxury, fuel economy, and low emissions in perfect harmony.
Right now, get a great deal on an 09 Sonata with greater space, power, and fuel efficiency than the Toyota Camry for $3,700 less.
Oh, okay. My own Capital One credit card. Set rewards for cashback. Yes, master. And a low interest rate.
Ooh, and I want that photo of me in Aspen.
Yes, that's it. Now it's the French! It's alive! No, it's not. Well, not literally.
Introducing Capital One Card Lab. Customize your card by choosing your rewards, interest rate, even upload your own image at CapitalOne.com.
What's in your wallet?
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky. The Addams Family.
M&M's dark chocolate. She's dazzling. Scarlet, the new series of TVs from LG.
Okay, here are your pizzas.
I don't think we ordered any pizzas.
Why don't I place this on your table? High-speed internet. Enhance your career through UMake Certificate and Business Administration Program. Courses can be taken by distance as well as the 12-week fast-track option or convenient evening part-time format. Visit us online, dmt.upic.ca.
Can-Am Recycling, in association with Phoenix Salvage and Sales, has over 30 years of experience in the scrap metal recycling industry. Along with its vast experience, Can-Am Recycling now offers its customers a more diversified group of services, which include car crushing to large-scale demolition, load mag and grapple truck, metal...
I know that. I am not an idiot.
Someone's dead, Mr. Wiggins. If there's anything missing from her office, here's your pants.
Those pants were Chilean wool, not Italian. They had cuffs, which I'm too short to wear, and pleats, which I'm too thin to wear. They weren't my pants.
So these are them?
We pulled these from Lily Yee's file. These pants have a pleat and a cuff. Long pants.
Well, that's worth $20 million.
Fact dream. These are the old DB5s needed for the venison parole. I had to dig them out of the basement. Watch out for spiders.
Hey, I was thinking maybe I would come over on Friday night, see the kids.
Oh, great. I need a babysitter. Can you be there by 7?
Sure.
Perfect.
Bye.
How's she doing since your brother's death? These pants really didn't belong to the guy who's suing. Someone's missing them. So let's find out who the pants actually belong to.
Here, 0497.
4 years overseas chasing terrorists, the pants police. These are the last ones from over there. Here are the rest of the tickets. Match them if you can read them. Anybody else complain about missing clothes lately, besides Mr. Wiggins?
One man come in with a ticket. We don't find his clothes. But he says sorry. It's a mistake. He must already have got them. And he just leave.
Okay. 96 pairs of men's pants, 97 tickets. Priceless. Rachel Monroe. Do you know her?
No.
Yeah, her number.
You know about my dry cleaning?
About a pair of pants that we brought in 6 weeks ago. You never picked them up.
I've been traveling. I work for Savings Mart.
Oh, big chain.
2,700 stores. I'm a purchasing executive. What's this about? Someone stealing clothes from my dry cleaner?
No, it's about a murder investigation.
Murder? Who's murdered?
A woman named Lily Yee. You know her?
I think so. I really don't see how I can help you. I'm sorry.
You're back in town now. You could have picked them up.
I didn't need them. They were an old pair.
So they were your pants?
Of course.
What's going on?
No.
You're a male roommate, boyfriend.
No.
Some mistake then. We're looking for the owner of a pair of men's pants. Roll like gray.
Do you think it had something to do with the murder?
Say what? Think of anything else, you'll let us know. So she's gonna tell him we were here, right? Hell yeah. So some guy didn't want anybody to know he was out of his pants in her apartment? It'd be nice if you want to tell him in person so we don't have to wait on a subpoena or phone records. Good idea. What's her number? It's on the ticket. Call it a wild muskrat? It's home time, so she'll be afraid to come home. Home time don't sound like that, man. It don't sound like anything. They're doing the movies. They go what? Give you 15 minutes. Right. So you and my sister-in-law, you guys have been pretty friendly? Friendly enough for her to tell me that she was with you before she married your brother. That's pretty friendly. You guys like getting together or anything? No, man, she's just little.
Okay, sorry about the time on that, guys, but that was a hell of a pick. Interesting story on this one. It was straight out of the box. My locksmith buddy, I asked him for a brown 1105, and he slipped me this, showed me the bidding, passed me the box, and I felt the box, and it felt a little heavy. And to my surprise, when I peeked in, there was this beautiful 5100 series inside waiting for me. Fortunately, I don't have a screwdriver handy, or I'd gut it on the spot for y'all. So yeah, there it is. Another 5100 picked straight out of the box. There you can see the A1105 brown. So that's kind of neat. Thank my locksmith pal for that. Anyway, so peace. Don't break the law and have fun.